How we doing, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. Man, we got some Ethereum bullish signs entering back into the market, and finally we're going to look at the metrics today, and we're going to look at the long versus short trades, which are actually finally getting really bullish, and then we're also going to be looking at the well institutional smart money, which is bullish as well. So we're going to go over these metrics. Guys, let's dive on in. Today is Friday. We are currently sitting at 109 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a trade. We've won 109 in a row. Everyone who's joined our membership has never lost a crypto trade. You guys can look at the testimonials if you'd like. Quick, unshameful plug here, guys. Our membership is going up in price today. So make sure you guys get our membership in the description because we're upping our price almost double for our membership, and it's going to happen today. So I want to say that in the beginning of the video so no one feels like they missed out tomorrow. This is the last day to do that. I'll show it to you guys later. But let's dive into the analysis here. All right, guys, we're looking good. The trend the trend dashboard, we'll get to the trend exhaustion in a second. The trend dashboard is starting to push into green territory for moving averages now. The RSI is green, stochastic's green, the MACD is green. This is very good signs, guys. The 50 moving average is green now. If we can push over to the 100 and the 200 moving average being green, this will look very nice. Do you guys also see this kind of weak but true reverse head and shoulders pattern right here? This is playing out on lower time frames, but we can see this on the 4-hour chart here. Guys, the next target here, I think, is structure high up here, which is about $3,200. So that's where I think this next bull run is trying to target. Now, we may have a little bit of a drop around this area here, about 2,800, but let's do a little bit more analysis here before we dive into that. In the short term, this weekend, are we going to start heading up here, or are we going to start moving back down? And if we do move back down, how far are we going to backslide in Ethereum? Let's take a look at this. Trend exhaustion is pushed up to the top section. Well money flow is getting up high here as well. Okay, if you guys know how to trade with these indicators, let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see this. When the trend exhaustion is in the top red section and well money flow is high, all my scalpers out there, my short traders, you guys are looking for short trades. Great, you guys made a ridiculous amount of money on this move down here. If you guys are leveraging, fantastic. The previous time, you guys took short trades up here. Well money flow is high, trend exhaustion was high. That's all you're looking for. First thing, is the trend exhaustion in the top red section? Check. Is the well money flow moving up? Check. All right, anybody who took a short trade here, you guys did extremely, extremely well. Anybody who took trades over here, you guys are obviously all in the profit as well right now for anybody who took short trades in the market because you guys got dropped down there. You guys made the profit there, you made profit here, as well as you made profit on that move there. And you guys also made profit there and there and there with the indicators because we pushed in the top red section. These indicators are going to make you guys a lot of money, okay? We have people doing tens of thousands of dollars now, and we have people scalping with them now that are doing very good. And I do have a scalping masterclass coming out for you guys in the next 2 weeks, so watch out for that. All my scalpers who got in down here when they saw the trend exhaustion low and they saw the well money flow moving down here, you guys got into a little bit of a scalp position here and you guys are riding this back up. If you're in the market right now and you got down here and you're looking to scalp in and out, I would look to take some profits, at least 50%. The reason why is because we're at this very strong resistance right now. Over this weekend, we're going to need to break above this 27. Once we hit about 28 to 29, that's an official break, and that's when I think we're going to head up to 3,200, or at least we're in the clear to do so, okay? Our break-even entry is at 3,300, so 3,383, so we're going to wait till we get back up there to exit this trade. But for all my scalpers out there using the indicators, you guys are doing very, very well. All right, guys, let's go over the metrics to see what we can see for Ethereum. But, guys, first, the price. Guys, our membership is literally going up almost double in a few hours here, depending on when you guys are watching this video. 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we are going to be upping this $49 a month to $95. So this is the last day you guys get the chance to do this. You're going to get access to the Telegram channel, gives you access to all of our trade calls, every single one of them, all of the exits, and when I'm getting into all of my trades. The masterclass videos are released for you guys, and there's more coming. Start watching them. We're going to be doing a live Inner Circle Zoom coaching every month. We have one already scheduled for the month of March. That's going to be on March 10th from 3 to 4 p.m. We're going to get together on Zoom, and we're going to talk about the markets and hang out as a family. Guys, what we have planned for this 2020 year is awesome. So make sure you guys are snagged over here. Snag your spot. Secure your spot is a better way of saying that, so you guys can take advantage of that. Okay, go to the menu. Go to crypto charts, scroll down here to Ethereum, and you guys, let's look at the metrics this morning. The emotional index and all these metrics will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is literally in about 12 minutes because it's 7:48 right now. But I want to show you guys what they called yesterday. This proves to you guys the integrity of this and why I like to do this. Yesterday, do you see where the price was? We pushed down into fearful. Those of you guys who are scalping with our indicators are making so much money. I can't wait for this like masterclass to come out. I may actually start trading it with you guys once it comes out, but I want to give you guys enough time to watch this. Here's a little sneak peek preview into that. When the emotional index is really low into the anxious or fearful section, and you guys look over here and you guys see the trend exhaustion low and the well money flow low here as well, very, very good times to get in the market and ride this back up. Those of you guys who are in that position, or you guys scalped at the lower prices here, you're up about 14%. I teach you guys to scalp for only about 3 to 4%, okay, just to make sure you guys get in and out, because that's the best percentage I've seen in the market. So you guys are doing really well. Overall, this called this at the bottom here that fear was in the market, and you guys know when there's fear in the market, what do we expect? Moves back up. What did we get? A move back up. Okay, let's continue, guys. Long versus short trades. Finally, we see some movement over here. Long trades entering back into the market to buy the dip. But look at these guys. Like, look at this. Some group out there is like unresistant about bringing short trades into the market for Ethereum. It's like, what's going on with this? I honestly don't really get it. It's like whoever is out there shorting Ethereum right now just thinks it's going to still go down and go down and go down. And the weird part is they've been holding these short trades up here since we've been dropping the entire time. It's almost like people shorted. I don't know, guys. It's just adding two positions is most likely what's happening, and they still think it's going to go down because it increased the last 2 days. So it's like, how low do they think it's going to go? Short traders out there, just heads up real quick for you guys so you can understand this. This is going to put pressure on you guys because long trades are increasing. So short traders may want to get out of the way because we're looking a little bit bullish over here. All right, that's just what I'm seeing from that metric. It's undisputable. Short trades moving up with long trades staying the same. Power to the short traders, yay. But if you guys see long trades moving up with short trades increasing, that puts pressure on short trades continuing to go down, okay? Because the market's looking to move back up. Take a look at this, guys. The market cap for Ethereum holding suit here. Actually, you guys, look at this. The market cap held steady here while price went down. Very good sign for Ethereum. This meant people didn't pull their money out of Ethereum on this drop right here. They kept it in the market because they thought it was going to rebound back up. One of the signs you guys can see in here of a market that's going to probably reverse really, really quickly. And today, when you guys look at these metrics, this is going to move back up because we're going to update here in 9 minutes now because 7:51. All right, guys, trades in favor. Oh, man, all my traders out there, my scalpers out there, guys, getting money into the market when you see this push down into the good long trade is a good place to get the money into the market. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you guys what you can use these metrics for, and these indicators, they are going to help you guys make more money. I'm confident about that. Read the testimonials. It's ridiculous. We have people trading for a living. It's insane. Well, institutional smart money. What are these guys doing? Guys, they've been doing nothing but acquiring long trades this entire time. Look at this, all the way from down here. If you take this and you look straight down from when they started doing this, it's down this area. It's just been long trade acquisitions the whole time down here. And now this area that we're looking at is actually this area where we're kind of at right now, where you guys see this little bounce back up right there. That's this area right there. So we're back to that area. So they're all going to start making profit, all the smart money that put their money in. And that's why I want you guys to watch for an exit and probably a nice sell around 3,200, because even institutions are going to start making money on their longs because we're moving back up in the profit, and they're going to look to take profit at structure high here. I would not doubt that. Watch this metric as we move back up, starting to print to the downside for them to switch to short trades, because when the market went back up this time, they did switch to short trades while a lot of retail traders thought we were going to the moon, and then they made a ridiculous amount of money on the downside. So watch these metrics, guys. They will help you make money, okay? Support and resistance prices here. The resistance is sitting at 3,284. Support is at 2,159, okay? Don't want to go over this too much. Let's just stick with 3,200. That's where I'm really looking at this moment. But I just want to point that out to you guys. All right, dollar cost average entries here. Let's continue, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup if you guys want to get into one. Dollar cost average entries right there. Where'd it come out? Right there at the bottom. So you guys are actually in the profit right now for those of you guys who got into this call. If you get, let me explain this. If you guys want to just get into the markets and throw like $1,000 in every time you get a green line, just check the metrics every day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All of our metric update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single day, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like clockwork, okay? If you want to literally just put money into the market, then you can hold this for 5 to 10 years. Your discretion, whatever you want to do. We're just going to provide the data for you guys to make good decisions, all right? Exit points here. When this goes back up, I'm going to be looking for an exit, which most likely will push us back into the profit on this trade, because I'm looking for an exit right at the top here, right before we get to $4,000. So we're probably going to experience on this about, I'll say about 13 to 14% we're going to actually win on this Ethereum trade. So that's just a matter of time before we hit that. All right, guys, you want to get into a trade, and let's see, how much could you guys actually make on this? Let me give you guys a prediction. I'll explain how you could do this. You guys are probably going to make about 40% on this. So scroll straight down here on Ethereum, on the charts for crypto charts. Go to Ethereum, scroll down to the bottom. You will get all the buy limits. Let me show you guys on Bitcoin right now how you're going to enter into that, because I want to keep it private for our members. Crypto charts, Bitcoin charts. Let's go to the bottom here. We'll keep Ethereum in view so we can see this. You guys are like, how are you guys winning 109 trades in a row? Well, here's how we're winning 109 trades in a row. And guys, not to at all turn this into like a cocky video, that'd be wrong, but like, we have the healthiest account we can find. Okay, the reason why we have such a healthy account is because we use such good risk management. A lot of accounts are still down 50 to 60%. We're only down, doing quick math in my head, are we down like 16%, somewhere around there on this account right now? 150,000 is break even. So we're doing really good. I will teach you guys how to stay really healthy in a bear market and be the first accounts to actually make profit out of a bear market. How about that? That's what you guys really want to be looking at. You know, it's not bragging to your friends that you got into a pump coin because those just drop and you lose all your money 3 weeks later. How about consistently trading for years and years and years and actually having consistent profits, being the healthiest account in a bear market and actually making real good money before everybody else when you come out of a bear market? That's what I'm going to teach you guys to do, and it's the best way to trade. You'll eventually come back around to it. It's always going to come back around to risk management, always. If you trade long enough, if you win enough, if you lose enough, it'll always come back to risk management. Okay, take a look at this guy. Guys, every chart we have, including Ethereum, has 4 buy limits and 1 sell limit. Let's dive in. Choose the amount that you guys want to enter into Ethereum today. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, guys. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit for 100% exit in the exchange. There's your sell limit right there. If you guys open this bigger on the website, you guys will see all these prices very clearly. Just get it. Get your membership. Look at this today. You guys can get into trades. That's why I'm telling you guys, if you get into this buy limit, if we see a little bit of a move back down, which I wouldn't doubt, by the way, trend exhaustion's at the top. I wouldn't doubt we see a little bit of move down, maybe actually, kind of completing this reverse head and shoulders pattern, maybe just a little bit better down here. And then we start seeing the move back up. You guys will get pretty close to triggered into your entry. If you guys want to go ahead and enter in 25% right now and just use the other 3 buy limits, that's okay on Ethereum since we're so low right now. That will give you guys money in the market. And then all you guys have to do is wait for me in Telegram to just call an exit. And you guys will exit with probably around, like I said, around 40%, because I'm not exiting until we're up here to structure highs. So I would say probably around 38 to maybe 40% at the structure higher at 43%, 44. But I would say around 40% you guys are going to probably see in your accounts just off this one single trade if you get in here. And I'll tell you guys what I'm looking at as far as when we get up here. You guys could exit sooner if you want. But guys, that's how we're trading. Make sure you're getting into the Telegram channel today. This is where I'm calling all the exits as well as giving you guys market updates of when I'm getting into trades, and as well as some really big news if it comes out. So make sure you guys sign up for your membership, click the Telegram channel, and that will give you guys access into the Telegram channel where all of that fun stuff goes on, and we have not lost a trade ever. All right, real quick, guys, indicators. Let's talk about the sell we've got going on. We'll wrap this video up. If you click the mini bar, here's the Telegram. You guys can also access Telegram from the mini bar, but let's go here, guys. Indicators. We have 82% off all of our indicators today, so make sure you guys are snagging this. Guys, this membership is going to be going up today. You have a few hours left. Also, not only the membership going up, we are going to be eventually, not today, but we are going to be upping the bundle pack price as well. So just getting the membership and getting the bundle pack today, just get everything you guys need to go into this next year. This year we're going into, and next year after that, 2023. You guys will be able to get all of this because we are going to be doing another round of upping our prices for all of our indicators because we know they're too cheap. All right. So what you guys want to do is get these 3 indicators at minimum: the price for swell money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard. Getting these 3 right now, you guys can use a coupon code, and it's Save Money at checkout. Using Save Money is great, but you might want to just get the bundle pack because you're going to actually save an extra 42% off even on top of the coupon code. I know this is like ridiculous. We know it's cheap. We know it's ridiculously discounted right now. We know this. So since we know it, you guys need to know that we're going to up this price. So make sure you get in here and you snag this bundle pack before the price goes up today. Snag that, guys, all right? You're going to get access to all 9 of our indicators, not just the 3. You guys are going to get Forex indicators as well as this guy we jokingly call the jackpot indicator for the pressure gauge. So make sure you guys snag that. Indicators are a one-time purchase. You get them for life, and you get the source code so nobody can take it away from you guys. So bundle pack, and then making sure you guys, I'm going to be a little bit more adamant, a little more salesy if I can on these videos today, but seriously, we've never lost a crypto trade. We have the healthiest account on all of YouTube. You guys have one last chance to get in here today before we up this to $95 a month starting tonight, not tomorrow. It's literally happening tonight. So those guys on the East Coast, you guys may, watching this video, may only have a few minutes or an hour left, or maybe even less. So make sure you guys are snagging this when you watch this video. If you guys are brand new, you're like, man, I don't know if I want to do this or not. Guys, get in for $49 a month. Okay, we don't refund on the first month. I want to be clear about that. But if you guys get in for the first month, you guys take all of our trades, you win them all, and for some reason you're like, I don't want it. Guys, that's fine. You guys can stop your subscription. You won't be charged the next month. But like, we've never lost a trade. I think you guys are going to enjoy this a lot. So guys, let me end the video with that. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing weekend. Go out with your family, go to the park, have some people over, do a barbecue, something fun. But overall, Ethereum, guys, guys, honestly, I don't care if it moves down or if it goes back up. We're just going to wait until it gets back into the profit because our risk management is so good. If it goes down and hits 1,700, it's actually even better for us because our break-even true will go down more and we'll get more money into the market. But overall, guys, this is showing, based off the metrics and everything, it is looking more bullish than bearish. Temporarily, yes, I do think we could see a move down because trend exhaustion is high, but a move down here, look at this, watch for a drop on Ethereum. So this actually just told us that we ended up getting into the top red section and we closed here. So it's telling us, like, looking for the drop. You guys just saw that alert go off on Ethereum. Watch for this drop back down, guys. This can be happening pretty soon, but overall, we have this bullish momentum heading back up here, and we got over the 50 moving average, which is very bullish as well. Overall, guys, looking for a target of 3,200 for the next bull run. Set the long trade up. That's all I've got for you guys. Get everything you need. Click those links in the description, the bundle pack, as well as the metrics for our membership. Get that set up so you guys can join us. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.